Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install .NET SDK in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just search .NET download. We'll be having the official link. Click it, and here we will be having the latest version of .NET. If you want to download the older versions, below that we'll be having the .NET 10 and all versions. Here we'll be having the older version of 10, and here we'll be having the previous older versions. I'm fine with the latest version, so I will just click it, and the size is around 206 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it, and we'll be getting the installer. Click on install, and once it is done, click on close. Now to check it, just go to command prompt and just type this .NET -- version, and we'll be getting the .NET version now. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.